Hey guys, and welcome back to another Conan Exiles video. Today we are in the far western desert, just a bit northwest of Sepameru, the city of the relic hunters, building a small bank. This build was suggested by Zero Effect Zero in the same suggestion I used in my last video, so thank you for the suggestion, Zero. When this was suggested, I realised that I've actually never built a bank at all in Conan Exiles, and for some reason I'd never thought to. There is one in the Sentinel City, however, I didn't build it. This design is a smaller one that would fit quite nicely into any sort of township build, and could be constructed using a variety of different materials. My choice of Aquilonian and Savage Frontier is purely just because I fancied using those materials, to be honest. This build also features the use of mods, mainly in the decoration. The list of mods I'm using you can see on screen now. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we are going to start off with, of course, the base plate. I laid down a simple base plate of 8x8, then leaving a perimeter of Aquilonian and creating an inlay of Savage Frontier foundations. I then built a small section of foundations to mark where I wanted the stairs, and built the walls up 2 tiles high around this section. I then decided I needed an extra section in which to place the vault, building a small outcrop building on the opposite side of the stairs in which to place the vault, then building the walls of the vault room itself 3 tiles high, and then building a roof gable on the back side. I then covered the area I'd built using Aquilonian and Frontier ceilings and used pillars below, finishing off the basement. I then started on the main floor of the bank, drawing out the walls around the Frontier ceilings to a height of 3 tiles high, then building roof gables on each side for a 4-side pointed apex roof. I then built stairs down to the basement, and then built stairs up to the first floor which sat 2 tiles high above the ground floor, which I created again using frontier ceilings. Next, I separated the ground floor using walls and fences to create the teller's staff section towards the back of the build and the public section at the front. I then placed some planters around the ground floor of the bank and some statues on the stairs leading up to the bank. I then built awnings around the build atop the Aquilonian ceilings. Next, I built the roof atop the vault room and the first floor of the bank, going back inside the first floor and here building 2 rooms, one of which would be the staff room and the other the bank manager's office. I initially had some issues placing sloped sides to make the roof sit flush, which turned out to be a stability issue with the separating walls on the ground floor, which I then connected to give some extra stability to then connect the sloped sides onto the top walls. I also then built some small holding pens in the basement, which would serve as the place where the rock noses are held in accordance with the suggestion. I do actually really like the idea of having gold and silver veined rock noses in the basement to produce coins from, and this area is spacious enough to work that in. Finally, when the shell of the build was done, it was then time to of course furnish. Approaching the build, I've lit the bank using Aquilonian wall torches and braziers for a soft and balanced lighting. Entering the build, the ground floor of the bank is small yet functional, with plenty of space for customers to withdraw and deposit their money, write out bills and statements, and converse with the tellers behind the wall. Behind the wall itself, the tellers have a small area in which to serve customers, with easy access to the vault and rock noses in the basement, and the staff area and bank manager's office on the first floor. The basement is a spacious area for the production of both coins and raw materials for the bank, along with the vault itself being a safe storage place for items and currency that belong to both the bank and its customers. Heading upstairs, the bank manager's office is a luxurious office space where the manager can handle paperwork, discuss bank business, and talk to customers to set up special accounts and bills. On the opposite side of this floor is the staff room, a small canteen where food is prepared and served for staff that are taking a break. And there we have it, a small bank in the Western Desert, just a bit northwest of Sepameru. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to Zero for the suggestion. I did quite enjoy this build. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like and let me know in the comments below if you have any build suggestions for future videos. As usual, absolutely anything is welcome. Don't forget to both follow me on Twitch and join the fun on our Discord through the links in the description. And if you'd like to support the future of this channel, the link to my Patreon is also in the description below, with various tiers and rewards including special Discord roles, sneak peeks at new videos, your name at the end of videos, and more. On that note, a thanks to our patrons Sammy, Sir Dialot, and Dawnfox. If you're new here, feel free to check out the rest of the content on the channel. There are new Conan Exiles videos coming every Wednesday and Sunday, so if you like what you see, subscribe and ring the notification bell to be the first to see the next video, and to join us on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.